Ocellaris clownfish, also known as Amphiprion ocellaris, is a popular species of marine fish that can be found in the warm waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans. They are known for their striking orange coloration, accented by 3 white stripes, and are often kept in aquariums due to their popularity and colorful appearance. However, in the wild, Ocellaris clownfish can be found living in small groups within anemones, which provides them with protection and food sources. Habitat and distribution. Ocellaris clownfish can be found in the warm waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, including the waters around Australia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. They typically inhabit shallow coral reefs and lagoons, where they can find anemones to live in and find food. Ocellaris clownfish have been known to inhabit depths of up to 15 meters, but are most commonly found in shallower waters. Physical characteristics. Ocellaris clownfish have a distinct appearance, with their bright orange coloration and 3 white stripes. They have a rounded shape, with a small mouth that is turned upwards, giving them a somewhat comical appearance. They typically grow to be around 8 to 10 centimeters in length, with females being slightly larger than males. One of the most unique physical characteristics of Ocellaris clownfish is their ability to change sex. They are sequential hermaphrodites, meaning that they are born as males and can later change into females as they mature. In a group of Ocellaris clownfish, the largest and most dominant fish is typically female, while the rest are male. If the female dies, the dominant male will change into a female and take her place. Behavior and social structure. Ocellaris clownfish are typically found living in small groups within anemones, which provides them with protection from predators. The anemones offer a place to hide and lay their eggs, and also provide food sources for the clownfish. Ocellaris clownfish have a symbiotic relationship with the anemones they live in, as they are able to live amongst the anemones' tentacles without being stung. The anemones, in turn, benefit from the clownfish's presence by attracting food sources, such as small fish and crustaceans. Within a group of Ocellaris clownfish, there is typically a dominant female, with the other fish being males. The dominant female is the largest and most aggressive fish, and is responsible for protecting the group and defending their territory. If the dominant female dies, the largest male will change sex and become the new female, while the remaining males move up in the social hierarchy. Ocellaris clownfish have been observed displaying interesting behavior, such as hosting in anemones. This behavior involves the clownfish swimming in and out of the anemone's tentacles, which not only helps to acclimate the clownfish to the anemone's sting but also helps to keep the anemone clean and free of parasites. Diet. In the wild, Ocellaris clownfish feed on a variety of small fish and crustaceans, as well as plankton and algae. They have a relatively small mouth, which is adapted for feeding on small prey. Ocellaris clownfish are also known to feed on the leftovers of their anemones' meals, including scraps of fish and crustaceans. In captivity, Ocellaris clownfish can be fed a diet of commercial fish food, supplemented with live or frozen brine shrimp, Mrs. shrimp, or other small invertebrates. It is important to provide them with a varied diet in order to ensure that they receive all of the necessary nutrients